friends, Baby Lee here. Hope everyone is having a great Friday and had a great week. So for this video, I thought it'd be a great idea to try something new, and that is for me self-tanning. I have never self-tanned before, and doing this is kind of an experiment. As a side note, I'm really pale and it's really hard for me to tan when I just wear sunscreen or anything like that when I go to the beach. So I'm really interested in seeing if this is gonna work out for me, and if it does, you get to see it in live action. So the product that I'm gonna be using is called Tanceuticals, and with Tanceuticals you can also get a mitt for tanning so you don't get it on your hands, which is great. And then I also have the self-tanning face lotion in the shade dark. So like I said, let's see what this is all about and if it works, and yeah. So let's do this. So I'm reading the instructions, and it says, for best results, exfoliate your skin in the shower before use. I did not do that, so let's see if this works. If it doesn't, then we know why, but okay. And then so this, it says, in order to maintain the tan, make sure that you wait 7 to 8 hours before sweating or showering. Overnight is best. So for this, I'm just going to do a test. This way I know that how dark it is, just in case. But when I do want to keep it on and see how long it is going to last, I will do this after I exfoliate and after I shower. This way I can just go to bed being tan. But so that's how this works. So we're gonna change up the instructions a little bit, but okay. So I take it out of the box, and that's what it looks like. This brand is also cruelty-free, and it smells like mango, I want to say. Yeah, it smells like mango. So, alright. So when you apply it, you want to do it in a circular motion. Don't use your mitts or gloves. Okay. If you don't have a mitt or gloves, it says then to wash your hands right after you do it. I have done drops, self-tanning drops for my face. If that makes sense. I've done self-tan oil for the face to mix in with your moisturizer, and I did not wash my hands right after, and after like, I want to say 5 minutes, I looked down and my hands were super orange. There was a test a few weeks ago. I wasn't going out anywhere, obviously, so it didn't matter if I messed up, but it's pretty embarrassing. Okay, so I'm taking off all my bracelets just in case, as well as the rings. Alright, so nothing there. And then alright, I'm gonna actually, this is kind of nerve-wracking. See if I turn into an orange, will you still love me?
Maybe.
Wee! Open this. If you don't have scissors, use your teeth, or if you have scissors, if you're lazy like me, you still use your teeth. This is the mitt. Oh, Tito, do you want some self-tanner? Tito, do you want some self-tanner? Some self-tanner? You know. Here. That was a mistake. Okay. I'm nervous. Okay. Best results. Sun. Lightly applied to the product of skin, use a circular motion. The areas you want to tan. Starting with your feet. Okay, we're just going to do the arms for today. See how it works. on the mitt or on my arm, but we're gonna do it on the mitt first. So let's see. Ooh, I look so pale. So this is before. And then we're gonna do after. Oh gosh. Okay, let's see. Oh, so when you put it on, excuse the cat hair, but when you put it on, let's see. See, it's like not even dark. I was expecting it to be like a brown, like a tannish color, but okay. So you put it on, and then it says put circular lotions. Well, I don't think I put on enough. Like that. Okay. See that much of a difference, so I just put it really here, but maybe there is and I just can't see with the light. Oh, maybe a little bit. This is the one that I haven't done, and this is the one I just did. Maybe a little bit. Yeah, let's do a little bit more. And then so I put, I want to say a really big pea. That's the size. I always say pea size, but it's like sometimes, you know, peas can be big, peas can be small. Alright, circular lotion. I smell like tropicalness. Okay, let's see. I can't tell. Let's do the other side, and maybe like while I'm waiting, it'll get darker. Okay. This side. Again, medium-sized pea. And you just put it in a circular motion like so. Although I don't know how like people do this if they want to get like their back and they live alone, like that's impossible. They just have like dark and then pale back, I guess. Couldn't tell you. Okay. I seriously can't tell. It doesn't look that much darker. Okay. So did two. Do another one. I feel like not doing it right. I don't understand. Which I like. And also the reason why I got this is I like this one also because it, I mean, not that I would know, but it isn't orange, which is good. I didn't watch any videos which I should have, but I've seen some stuff on Instagram and some people just put way too much on. But I think for the product that they use is just like super orange, but this one looks pretty good, pretty natural, I would say. I've been experimenting these kinds of stuff. This kind of stuff. I think it like it's just semi like sun-kissed, but the reason why I'm skeptical is because it says dark. So maybe I'll just do one more layer, and if it's orange or if it's really dark, then I'll just wear long sleeves. But it wouldn't matter because we're quarantined, so we're inside. It smells really good. And it's not sticky too. It feels like I'm putting on lotion. It's pretty good. I mean, oh yeah. You see that? You see my face. And you can see how light that is. That gives you a starting point. So again, Tanceuticals. You can buy this on their website. I'm not sure where else they sell this, but I can put somewhere in the description below how much it is, where to get it, and directions if you're interested. Again, if I'm doing this wrong, just comment below. I don't think I'm doing it wrong. I think I'm doing it great. It looks pretty good. I think it's just like like I said, sun-kissed, which is nice. It's not too dark, and if I say like you don't have a mitt and let's use it on your hand, I don't think that it'll show like your hand streaks, which is nice because it's a lotion. It's not like a foamy consistency where it sticks on your hands. It's really nice. So yeah, I like it. It smells really good. See if you can see it. I'm like wondering if I should do a fourth coat. Face I'm a little bit nervous about because I don't want it to break out, but yeah. Okay, that was fun and easy. So I will put somewhere maybe in the next video, or if you follow me on Instagram, I will put an update seeing if the color changes. If not, it just stays like this. And then once I do actually follow the correct directions and I exfoliate before, shower before, put it on, and then do it before I go to bed so that it stays on, I will let you guys know if there's actually a difference in color. Maybe, we'll see. But yeah, that was super fun and super quick to do. So if you ever need a tan, or feel like you want to be a few shades sun-kissed, if you want to be sun-kissed, or if you just can't tan like me, this is a great thing to use. Super easy to use and smells good. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great weekend, day, whenever you do watch this video. And I will see you next week.